Hello guys, welcome back to Trivia channel. I hope you all are happy and healthy today. So do any of you guys have a plan to make a YouTube channel and try to find a website or anything to make a simple intro video? Or maybe you are looking for one for a school assignment or that kind of stuff? I have a recommendation for you. It's a website called Jitter. Jitter is an easy to use animation tool on the web. Here you could make animation for video, website, or apps in a simple way. It's fast and easy, and you can export your creation as HD video or GIF, and it's free. You could just sign up and use it immediately. So now I will show you how to start making your own intro video using Jitter. First, I will change the artboard name into intro and I will change the background color into purple. I like purple because it's the color of army. And now I will add a flower GIF that match my background and lower the opacity to blend it well. I will add text and change it into purple, but I'm gonna use a custom font that I have prepared to make it more cute. Then I will create dots by clicking this ellipse on the dashboard and change the color to purple to match with the text. And adjust this so it looks more tidy. Then animate the text by clicking the animate option. I decide to choose appear, and for the dots I think slide in. Looks nice, so it looks like loading. And after that, I will adjust the time for the animation to play so it will play out smoothly. Then I will group the ellipse and loading text in one place. And for the next icon, I will create another scene with this pretty flower background GIF. And I also lower the opacity so you can add the video or GIF. And don't forget to adjust the time. Timeline is easy to use. Well, you can make it shorter or maybe longer. And I will create a rectangle shape here and choose another shade of purple. I will also add another text box for channel names. I will add two colors and the other one will have white for creating shadow on the text to make it appear more clearly. And if you think it's too bold, you could lower the opacity just like I did. But for the channel name in this video, I will use a custom font. And for the rectangles, I will use it for subscribe text and change the font to Monster Red to make it less formal and use the color of white. Also, I decided to add a cursor clicking to give more action. And I'm gonna download it from PNG. You could just upload the PNG by clicking the insert picture option. Animate the rectangle shape and also the cursor so it match well. I will use slide in for the rectangles, max for the subscribe text, and move and slide for the cursor. And now adjust the time so it went smoothly. Once you are done, you can download the video by clicking export and choose the resolution that you want. We're gonna have to wait a while to look for the website to export the video. And yeah, we are done. It's very simple and easy. For the GIF and the font, I will link it down below if you are interested to use it. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to take us if you follow these tutorials. Consider subscribing and leave the comment below. Stay tuned for our next content. Have a nice day. Bye.